Hello everyone and welcome back to another Marble Snap tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device. And once you are inside the main menu, if you wish to change your game language, just tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. This will now open up the settings option. From here, if you scroll down a little bit, then you will see the language drop-down menu. Just tap on this language that is currently selected and you will see a list of languages that are available for the game. Scroll down and look for your desired language, and once you find it, you can simply tap on it. After this, the game will restart and the language you have chosen will be applied right away. And if you wish to change in the future at any point, you can go back to the settings page and once again choose your preferred language from the same drop-down menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.